Want to create an eye-catching rapid shutter effect in Premiere Pro? In this video, I'll show you how to make this dynamic effect easily in Premiere Pro. Start by placing all the clips you want to use into a single folder, then drag that folder directly onto your timeline. To delete the audio tracks, hold down the Alt key, select the audio layers, and press Delete. Select all the clips, right-click, and choose Speed and Duration. Ensure the link option is unchecked. Click on the duration field and enter 20. Also, enable Ripple Edit, so Premiere automatically shifts the clips to the left and removes any gaps. Zoom in on the timeline. Click on an empty area to make sure no clips are selected. Open the Effects panel and search for Transform. Apply the Transform effect to the first clip. Then search for Directional Blur and add that to the same clip. Move the playhead 5 frames forward from the beginning of the first clip. In the Effect Controls panel under Transform, disable Use Composition's Shutter Angle and change the shutter angle value to 360 to create motion blur. Add keyframes for both position. Click the stopwatch icon. Now return the playhead to the start of the clip. Adjust the second position value to push the clip upward, moving it out of the frame. Back in Effect Controls, hold Ctrl or Command and select both the Transform and Directional Blur effects. Press Ctrl or Command plus C to copy them. Select the remaining clips and press Ctrl or Command plus V to paste the effects onto them. Finally, we'll stagger the clips across multiple tracks. Move the playhead to the beginning of the first clip. From there, advance 5 frames at a time by holding Shift and pressing the right arrow key. Drag the second clip to this new position on the second track. If the timeline becomes crowded, you can maximize it by double-clicking the sequence name. Move forward another 5 frames and place the third clip on the third track. Continue this pattern for all clips. When finished, your timeline will appear stacked very high. To tidy it up, select all the layers, right-click, and choose Nest. Click OK, then press the grave accent key again to return to normal view. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you in the next frame.